This might be the biggest Shiba Inu coin upgrade in Shib history, Shib explained. The Shib ecosystem grows as Shibarium could solve some key issues of the Shib projects already announced. The Shibarium Layer 2 has perhaps garnered the most attention from the Shiba community. Today we're going to talk all about why Shibarium will send Shiba Inu Coin to the moon. Welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Shib news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Shib news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 28th of October, shall we? Shib's liftoff from the $1,400 million level in the last month set the stage for a bearish pennant setup on the daily charts, but the 20 EMA in red and the 50 EMA in cyan continued to pose recovery barriers and induced a reversal. This reversal inflicted a pattern breakdown that put Shib back on the bearish track. In the meantime, this descent entailed a down channel in yellow. While the 20-50 EMAs looked south, sellers would continue exerting their near-term edge. A rebound from the $984 million support could spring a potential break above the current pattern. In this case, the $1,044 to $1,065 million range could undermine the buying efforts. An immediate or eventual close above this range can expose the token to a well-needed upside. In such circumstances, Shib could witness a bearish invalidation and test the $11 million zone. On the flip side, any decline below the immediate support could propel a retest of the lower trendline of the down channel. The Chaikin money flow's CMF jump above the zero mark resonated with the heightened buying pressure, but its higher troughs over the last few days bearishly diverged with the price action. Nonetheless, a consistent position above the midline could fuel the bullish narrative. An analysis of the total Shib futures open interest revealed a nearly 5.22% incline in open interest over the last 24 hours. Correspondingly, the price action marked a nearly 3% jump during the same time. This reading entailed a bullish sign for the near term. Should the buyers capitalize on this, any break above the current pattern could position the token for a bull run. Also, the alt shared a 43% 30-day correlation with Bitcoin. Thus, keeping an eye on Bitcoin's movement with the overall market sentiment could be essential to identify any bearish invalidations. Now let's get back to the topic. With the Shiba Inu ecosystem continuing to grow through its expansive Shib roadmap, projects such as Shib the Metaverse and the Shiba Inu game will also add to an already extensive network. However, for several other projects in the works, they will all rely on Shibarium. Now let's have a look at everything we know about the Layer 2 and what it can offer to the Shib army. What is Shibarium? Shibarium is a blockchain/Layer 2 solution first proposed by Ryoshi, the creator of Shiba Inu Coin. Once it launches, Shib tokens will be migrated to the L2. Ryoshi initially used the phrase blockchain. Shibarium is more likely to be an L2 that sits on top of an already existing Ethereum blockchain. The Shib creator said in his now deleted blog post, "The line between an L2 and owned blockchain is thin. I mean, what is the difference really between Matic L2 and BSC? It's worth noting here that Shibarium is not its own blockchain, nor does it mean there is a Shiba Inu 2.0 token coming. Shiba Inu will remain connected to Ethereum. One of the primary goals will be to lower transaction fees for those in the Shiba ecosystem. In a blog post by its developers, Unification said transactions would be approved in seconds for pennies. Ryoshi first said that Shibarium's transaction fees will be minimal or even zero. Speaking on the Shiba Discord, Satoshi Kusama, the Shiba project lead, said Shibarium will offer low fees for every service, game, or whatever that builds on it. High gas fees is one of the most pressing issues faced by Ethereum. Given Shiba's reliance on the Ethereum network, it suffered from some hefty gas prices when the Shiboshi NFTs launched. Satoshi even touted the advantages of the L2 on Twitter following backlash to the Shiboshi release. As with other projects, the Layer 2 will feature some kind of Shib burning mechanics to burn Shib. It could also act as a bridge for other ecosystems, according to one Shibarium sneak peek. External developers will also get the chance to develop on top of the L2 pretty soon via the Shibarium Hackathon. This event, according to Satoshi, will grant successful teams funds to build on Shibarium. Shibarium release date. We don't have any official release date for Shibarium just yet, but it could launch in late 2022. Shibarium developers Unification have confirmed that the Shibarium public beta will launch in Q3 2022. This is between July and September 2022. This comes after Unification previously said Shibarium was in alpha. However, comments from members of the Shiba Inu team may have tempered these expectations. After rejecting comments that Shibarium would launch on September 30th, it seems Shib has distanced themselves from the comments made by Unification regarding a public beta in Q3 2022. Several members of the Shib team have reiterated that no date for Shibarium has been announced. However, the Unification blog shared in text on the official announcement channel in the Shib Discord does say Q3 2022 for a beta. We'll need to wait to see what happens here. Elsewhere, in late April, Shiba lead Shytoshi Kusama said Shibarium is coming very soon. Shytoshi also said that Shibarium documentation, likely in the form of a new blog post, should also come out soon. During the Shiba Inu AMA, Discord mod Queenie tempered release date expectations by affirming the project doesn't do them to avoid disappointing people. However, she then said she expects the Layer 2 to launch in 2022. This matches up with previous comments on its release date. In September 2021, Shytoshi described Shibarium as in the mid-stage. The Shiba team confirmed the Layer 2 remains on track for a 2022 release in a March blog post as well. Developer Eric M. also said it will launch faster than Ethereum 2.0, which is still expected to launch in 2022, although the Ethereum merge date is in September. However, with so many projects on the go, such dates may change depending on priorities and development progress. As Shytoshi said in the Discord on January 20th, "The game is moving well. Shibarium, all moving forward. Just takes time juggling so much." Will Shibarium use Shib? While Shib and Leash tokens currently have more utility in Shibaswap, neither of these will be the primary pair token for Shibarium. Instead, it will be Bone. Ryoshi explained the reasoning, stating Bone will have a fair and zero start, in which we will not have to be concerned about overarching whale bags. Of course, Shib and Leash holders earned Bone when Shibaswap first launched, meaning there are likely a hefty number of Bone whales out there. According to Unification's preview, Shibarium users will also be able to earn Bone via Shibarium. To allocate this Bone, the Shiba Inu DAO voted to halt Bone minting for Shibaswap. Instead, the DEX will soon use the new Treat token as a reward. Bone minting halted in September after it hit 230 million tokens. Despite Ryoshi's original vision including Bone, some users expressed frustration when the December Shib AMA reconfirmed Bone's role in the L2. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!